Welcome to Surgeon Education Hub. Quadratic equation, 10 important question. First question. This is a statement problem asked for 5 marks. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Here we have to take the formula distance is equal to speed into time. You should use that formula, then you can find the quadratic equation. Then if you solve it, you will get the speed of the stream. This question is for 5 marks. Second question. 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Here, if we use the formula work is equal to 1 by time, then we will find one quadratic equation. Then if you solve this, you can find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. This question is asked for 5 marks. Third question. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 5 is equal to 0 and hence comment on nature of the roots. Here discriminant means we should find b square minus 4ac and we should comment on the nature of roots. Next, this question is asked for 2 marks. Fourth question, find the value of p for which the quadratic equation px into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0 has 2 equal real roots. Real roots means we should take b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If you take that, you can find the value of p. This question is asked for 3 marks. Now fifth question, the difference of an integer and its reciprocal is 143 by 12. Find the integer. This is a statement problem. It is asked for 3 marks. The difference of an integer and its reciprocal. Let you take the integer as x and its reciprocal will be 1 by x. If you subtract, difference means subtract. If you subtract x minus 1 by x, you will get 143 by 2. If you solve this equation, you will get a quadratic equation, and if you solve that, you will get the integer. This question is asked for 3 marks. Sixth question. Find the positive value of k for which x square plus kx plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 will both have real roots. Here they have given both have real roots, means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If you apply that, we can find the value of k. This question is asked for 3 marks. Now, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. If you take the distance is equal to speed into time formula, okay, you will get a quadratic equation. Then if you solve it, we can find the speed of the train. This question is asked for 5 marks. Eighth question. The difference of 2 number is 5 and the difference of their reciprocal is 1 by 10. Find the numbers. Here we have to take difference of 2 number is 5, right? One we have to take one number we have to take as x and the other number as x minus 5. And the difference of their reciprocal, then difference means subtract 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10. If you solve this, you will get a quadratic equation. If you solve that, you can find the numbers. This question is asked for 5 marks. Ninth question. Solve the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. Okay, this is the equation. You should use the quadratic formula method and find the solution. This question is asked for 3 marks. 10th question. If the roots of the quadratic equation p of q minus r into x square plus q into r minus p into x plus r into p minus q is equal to 0 are equal, show that 1 by p plus 1 by r is equal to 2 by q. Here they are given roots are equal. Roots are equal means we should take b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then we have to prove 1 by p plus 1 by r is equal to 2 by q. This question is asked for 3 marks. These are the quadratic equations, 10 important questions.